Hey everyone, it's Megan with Alder and Nance, and are you looking for tips for sewing? Well, I've got one for you today. One of my biggest tips that I can give you is to actually read your manual. And the reason why is it's going to tell you about all different things about your sewing machine that you wouldn't know otherwise. Like, for instance, one of the things that I didn't know was on page 24 of my sewing book. Page 20, I can actually adjust the pattern balance on my book. And if you see, I actually have a physical copy of my manual, and then I also have the digital copy, in which most machines are going to have an option for you to download your digital version of your sewing book, that you can download it onto your iPhone, Android, and also iPads. But really read your manual from front to back and really get to know your machine before you really get started. I didn't know that until I actually followed that tip the other day and saw that I was able to adjust the pattern by going in here and adjusting right here. So that is your Tuesday 2-minute tip.